Take the bass line out.
No, you don't have to.
Bounce with it.
It's the hard knock life for us. It's the hard knock
Yeah.
for us. Static reading, we get quick. Static says we get kicked. It's the hard knock.
I didn't know how to be. No crib on MTV. God only knows. Got my mini-me in the GP. See how it goes. Evil's all that I see. You ask me my name? D to the Rizzo, E to the Bizzo, I to the Lizzo. I'm a crazy mother. You all knew that. Austin caught me in the first act. It's all backwards. What's with that? So I'll make a prophecy from the dogs to the mini-me. Give me an Escalade, a two-way bling-bling on eBay. Domino.
It's the hard knock life
Yeah.
for us. It's the hard knock
Stick that in your pipe and smoke it.
Static reading,
Uh-huh.
we get quick.
It's for all my homies in Bruges.
It's the hard knock life.
Uh-huh.
It's the hard knock life for us.
Ah, Cristal, my moto, a couple of bee-hotches. Why not?
It's the hard knock.
I got a buster move, dropping buster groove, feeling fine. Got an evil crew, gold member to lick my 9. Till then, I'll on my brands up, put on call and splooge in your. That's all. For shizzle my nizzle, y'all. This is a shout out to Hoover, God MC. You all know him, that's Jay-Z. I met him. Well, I saw him in a restaurant once.
It's the hard knock.
Stick that in your blunt and smoke it. Yeah, I said blunt.